Hey guys, remember us 3 years ago? But right now we're not gonna lip sync. We're gonna sing White Horse. Well, just having fun. So hope you guys like it. This is just for fun. No haters. Thank you. Say you're sorry that days have an angel comes out. You did it. Back and forth all this time, 'cause I honestly believed in you. Holding on to James drag on, stupid girl. I should have known, I should have known. I'm not a princess, it seems a fairy tale. I'm not the one I'll be here on the stairwell. Hollywood, small town, I was a real let me down. Now it's too late for you and your white horse to come around. Baby, I was naive, got lost in your eyes and never really had a chance. I had so many dreams about you and me, happy endings. Now I know I'm not a princess, it's in a fairy tale. I'm not the one who'll skip our feet. We're at stairwell, this ain't Hollywood, this is a small town. I was a dreamer before you went and let me down. Now it's too late for you and your white horse to come around. And there you are on your knees, begging for forgiveness, begging for me, just like I've always wanted, but I'm so sorry. 'Cause I'm not your princess, I'm not your princess. I'm gonna find someone someday who might actually treat me well. This is a big world, that was a small town. There in my rear mirror, disappearing now. Now it's too late for you and your white horse. Now it's too late for you and your white horse to catch me now. To catch me now. Oh, thank you guys for watching. So here's my sister still singing. She's cute, isn't it? Just kidding. Peace out. Bye.